Hi everybody, this is David, and in today's TechNet tutorials we will look at how to use some of the additional features in Book Creator for Chrome. Right, first up click on Pages and it will display the layout of your book. I don't have very many pages here, as you'll see. And then from here, if you click on the three wee dots there in the corner of any of the pages, you can copy, move, insert, or delete. Or alternatively, if you don't want to do any of that, you can just left click and drag the pages around and move them that way. Right, this explores some of the other options that are available here. So first of all, click on My Books, and this will bring us back to the preview of your library or the library you're in. And then click on that little share icon at the bottom, and then from here you can press Publish Online, which makes your book available online. Give it your title. You can also change the author name too. You can download as an ebook and read on a Kindle or a Nook, I believe. You would need to convert an EPUB to Mobi though, so it just shows you there what that would look like. Next up, let's explore this Read Me feature. So to do that, you need to edit the book and then just press the play button in the top right. From there, this Read to Me feature will appear, and it does exactly what it says. It'll just read it in a language of your choice, which is really cool. So I'm just going to read it through. You can't hear it, of course, because I haven't recorded it. But let's have a look at how to change the voice. So click Read to Me, click the settings to the left of that, and then click on Voice. Now from here, you'll get a pretty decent selection of different languages. You've got everything from Arabic, Chinese, to Finnish, French, German, Greek, Hebrew, Hindi. There's quite a lot, and I would imagine these guys, the creators of Book Creator, would be expanding these as well. So that wraps up today's episode of TechNet Tutorials, in which we looked at the additional features available. There are a ton more. You just need to click, explore, and create. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.